Photosynthesis Quiz. Use this form to show that you have looked at the slides, watched the videos, read the articles, looked over notes, and completed all assigned work for today. You're first going to choose your cycle here. You are then going to write your last name and then your first name in this box. Number 1. An organism that can trap sun energy to make food through photosynthesis is called A. Zebra, B. Heterotroph consumer, C. Autotroph producer. Number 2. An organism that must consume other organisms for energy is called A. Plant, B. Heterotroph consumer, C. Autotroph producer. Number 3. The main source of energy that powers photosynthesis comes from A. New Jersey, B. Zebras, C. Sunlight, D. All of the above. Number 4. Stage 1 of photosynthesis occurs mainly where A. In leaves of plants, B. Roots of plants, C. Xylem of plants, tissue in the stem. Number 5. Chloroplast, found in leaves of plants, contains a green pigment called A. Clorox, B. Mitochondria, C. Chlorophyll. Number 6. Chlorophyll powers stage blank of photosynthesis. A. Stage 1, B. Stage 2, C. Stage 3. Number 7. The raw materials needed for photosynthesis to begin are A. Water H2O and carbon dioxide CO2, B. Oxygen O2 and glucose C6H12O6, or C. Nitrogen N and hydrogen H. Number 8. Water enters the plant through what structures? A. Leaves, B. Roots, C. Air. Number 9. Carbon dioxide enters the plant through holes on the underside of leaves called A. Stems, B. Roots, C. Stomata. Number 10. Once inside the chloroplast, water and carbon dioxide go through A. Chemical reactions, B. Stems, C. Air. Number 11. The two products of photosynthesis created by the plant autotroph producer are A. Water H2O and carbon dioxide CO2, B. Glucose, which is C6H12O6, and oxygen O2, C. Hydrogen H and nitrogen N. Number 12. Glucose, sugar that is created in photosynthesis, is used for what purpose? A. Food, B. Waste, C. Glucose is not used. Number 13. The oxygen that is created by plants and other autotrophs during photosynthesis exits through what structure? A. Roots, B. Chloroplasts, C. Stomata. Now we're going to use the diagram to answer the following questions. Number 14. Identify raw material number 1 on the diagram. A. Oxygen, B. Sunlight energy, C. Carbon dioxide. 15. Identify raw material number 2 on the diagram. A. Oxygen, B. Sunlight energy, C. Carbon dioxide. 16. Identify raw material number 3 on the diagram. A. Water, B. Sunlight energy, C. Carbon dioxide. 17. Name the organelle at number 4 found in plants and other autotrophs that use photosynthesis to produce glucose as food. A. Mitochondria, B. Cell wall, C. Chloroplast. Number 18. Identify the product of photosynthesis at number 5 on the diagram, also on slide number 8. A. Carbon dioxide, B, water, C, oxygen. Number 19. Identify the product of photosynthesis at number 6 on the diagram, which is also on slide number 8. A, carbon dioxide, B, glucose, C, oxygen. Number 20. Why do plants use photosynthesis? A, plants use photosynthesis as a waste product. B, plants use photosynthesis because they like to help humans. C, plants use photosynthesis to make their own food, glucose. And the last one, 21. Besides providing heterotrophs, consumers like humans, with glucose as food, what else does the autotroph provide that is essential for humans? A, carbon dioxide, B, oxygen, C, sunlight. Hopefully you all did well.